Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 12th of August. Company results, which of course had been front and centre, pretty much pushed to one side by what's become a very difficult couple of weeks in markets globally. Obviously, we had the situation last week when President Trump announced additional tariffs. That was then followed early this week by the Chinese allowing its currency to weaken. Meanwhile, back in the UK, sterling, which has been under pressure anyway on the basis of the likelihood of a no-deal Brexit increasing, saw further downward pressure when the GDP number actually showed a contraction in the UK for the second quarter. These kind of themes are likely to push on into next week because we're now starting to come out of the UK and US second quarter reporting seasons. Whilst the markets still generally remain positive in the year to date, the FTSE, for example, is still up 8%, the Dow Jones 13%, the S&P 500 17%, and the Nasdaq 21%. Those are nonetheless rather south, those figures, of where we have been just over a month ago. So that pressure is likely to continue as market jitters around the trade war in particular reverberate. In terms of company news, as I say, the US reporting season is pretty much drawing to a close. There's a couple to look out for next week from the computer company Cisco and also Walmart. In the UK, not too much to report, although probably three stocks worth having a look out for. TUI, the travel company, obviously we're in the middle of the crucial summer period, so any sort of update there will be very useful to hear from the company. Although there has been some disappointment around the sector and some discounting as well. So again, any updates will be welcome. Prudential had a pretty strong start to the year, but of course it's becoming embroiled in these worries around the Chinese economy and therefore the Chinese consumer. Prudential's got a large exposure out there. The shares actually had been up to around £17.89 in August. They're currently standing at around £15.10, although up 7.7% in the year to date. And finally, Admiral, the insurance company, hopes that the insurance conditions are actually improving. Will be something that we'll be looking out for, and also there'll be a broad-based comparison with the numbers we've had from this week from the likes of Legal and General and indeed Aviva. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great week.